Hi guys, this is Olivia. Today we're going to learn how to add and subtract decimals. Just to recall what is decimal, it's 소수 in Korean, and we're going to learn how to 소수의 덧셈 and 소수의 뺄셈. It's super easy. It's not going to be hard, so let's start. Let's try with this example right here. Ephraim is a long distance runner. Oh, I'm reading this part right here. Ephraim is a long distance runner. His practice distances for 5 days last week are shown in the table. So you can see this table right here is his running record. Number 1, how far did Ephraim run in 5 days last week? So we want to sum up all these decimals to get the total distance of him running last week, right? So we can simply put as an equation of 8.85 plus 12.25 plus 10.9 plus 9.65 plus 14.4. And then what we can do is first, we're going to use an estimation. So we're going to just simply add this part, the front end, to get the rough estimate of how much he ran last week, which is 8 plus 12 plus 10 plus 9 plus 14, which is 53, right? And then we're going to add the part that comes after the decimal point, which is this numbers right here. Correct? Hi guys, this is Olivia. Today we're going to learn how to add and subtract decimals. We're going to learn 소수의 덧셈과 뺄셈. Let's start with an example right here. Ephraim is a long distance runner, and his practice distances for 5 days last week are shown in the table right here. Number 1, how far did Ephraim run in 5 days last week? 지난주에 Ephraim이 얼마나 많이 뛰었는지를 우린 계산할 거예요. So how do we calculate that? It's simple. We just add up all these 5 numbers, correct? 그러면 이 소수들을 다 더해야 되는데 what we're gonna do is using the front-end estimation. front-end estimation이라는 것을 이용해서 한번 풀어볼 거예요. approach는 뭐냐면은 이 소수에서 you just add these numbers that comes before the decimal point. So it's going to be 8 plus 12 plus 10 plus 9 plus 14, which is 53. 그쵸? 그 다음에 just to remove the decimal point, we're going to multiply 100 to all these decimals. Then it's going to give us 885, 1,225, 1,090, 965, and 1,440. And you just sum up all those numbers, which is going to give us 5,605, right? 근데 아까 그 front-end estimation에서 이것을 다 더했을 때 it was around 53, right? So what you need to do, all you need to do is just add a decimal points that gives you roughly around 53. So the total sum of these 5 numbers will be 56.05. Or another way to think of this is that since we multiplied 100 to all these numbers, since we moved the decimal points 2 units to rightwards, we're gonna revert it. 다시 돌려놓는 거죠. So once we finish the calculation, we just revert it, which is gonna give us 56.05. Okay, let's solve another problem. B. How much farther did Ephraim run on Tuesday than on Thursday? Ephraim이 Tuesday에 달린 게 Thursday보다 얼마나 더 많이 달렸습니까? 를 물어봤네요. Then we need to do the subtraction of decimals. Great job. So we have 12.25 minus 9.65, right? So the first option is by multiplying 100, which will make it as 1025 minus 965. So if we do the subtraction, it's gonna give us 260. Now we revert the decimal points, which is gonna give us 2.60. So you can say that Ephraim run around 2.6 kilometers farther on Tuesday. Okay? Let's try this one together. Use front-end estimation to estimate each sum or difference. Right now, we're gonna try problem number A and problem number C. So number A, we have 2.8676 minus 0.975. What you do is you multiply 1,000 to make this one right here as a whole number. And then you simply subtract it. So it's going to give us, right? And since we multiplied 1,000, you can divide 1,000, which will give us 1.901 as the final answer. Great job.